I'm opening the MR100 Smarter Ring box. I'm taking out the user manual. I'm taking out the golden MR100 Smarter Ring and showing its details close to the camera. It has sensors and a Maxcom logo engraved. I'm taking out the USB charging cable. The user manual, the MR100 Smarter Ring and the USB charging cable placed next to each other. I'm showing the MR100 Smarter Ring on my hand. I'm showing the silver and the black versions of MR100 Smarter Ring.